This is a brand new device that you guys, it's a work from home kit.
Yep.
So I might want one, I
Yes.
think, after this. So walk me through how,
Yeah.
the kind of the thought process and why you guys brought this to market.
Yeah, so I was on a number of these panels throughout COVID with a lot of other manufacturers and educators around the industry. And one of the things that we kept talking about was how everybody was now working or learning from home. But what was the device you were given to take home with you? A laptop, right?
Certainly.
And so your communication through the laptop is through a laptop, tiny little camera, and a little microphone and laptop speakers. And it works when you need to do nice short bursts of communication. But when you're spending more than 20 minutes of your day in a learning or a communication environment, it needs to be quality, right? You don't want to feel that fatigue, or you're straining to get your voice through, or you're constantly stepping over someone else who's trying to talk. So we all thought there's got to be some kind of a work from home kit you can give somebody to go along with their laptop that enhances that distance communication experience. So we said, that's exactly what we'll do. Let's make a kit. And it consists of two pieces. The first piece being that auto framing 4K camera. And why is that important? Because that auto framing camera allows you to be in front of your workspace and move around a little bit, stand up, come back, and it's always going to keep you in frame. You don't have to worry about a remote or your mouse or trying to adjust the camera. It does it for you automatically. And then the speakerphone does two things. Number one, it's a speakerphone, so you've got quality audio coming out and you can hear. You get quality microphone pickup all the way around it, so you can be on any side of it. And secondly, it's a docking station. That's what really makes it different. Because if you're going to be working now from home for a little bit, you kind of want it to be easy again, right? So this allows you to connect your monitor, all your peripherals to the docking station, walk up with one single cable, plug your laptop into it, you connect to everything, and now you've got a quality communication experience done the easy way.
That's fantastic. I'm definitely going to steal this one. You don't need it for the show, do you?
Take it, it's yours.
I love it.
They're in stock.
Even better.